Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Snowflake to AWS S3 detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake worksheet where you want to execute your commands. Ensure you have the correct privileges to create an external stage. Next, create a storage integration for AWS S3. Use the SQL command to create the storage integration. Include the necessary parameters such as AWS role ARN, storage provider, and allowed locations. Once the storage integration is set up, take note of the storage integration name. Now, proceed to create an external stage in Snowflake. Use the SQL command to create the external stage, referencing your storage integration. Include the S3 bucket URL in the command. You can also specify optional parameters like file format and directory path. After the stage is successfully created, verify its properties. Run a command to describe the stage and make sure everything is configured correctly. Next, it's time to load data from S3 into Snowflake. Use the copy into command to load data from your S3 bucket. Specify the target table in your Snowflake account. Make sure to include the stage name and the S3 file path in your command. If applicable, set any file format options for the incoming data. Execute the command and monitor the loading process. To validate the loaded data, you can run a simple select query on the target table. Make sure the data appears as expected. Finally, clean up by dropping the external stage if it's no longer needed. Use the appropriate SQL command to drop the stage. Your Snowflake instance is now successfully connected to AWS S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.